Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing INVISAWEAR's new product, which is all about smart jewelry that will save your life and basically being safe wherever you are. For example, if you can't get to your phone or something like that, having this on hand will potentially save your life. So how it works is basically it comes in different fashion pieces. So for example, you get a necklace or you can get a keychain, which you can press and basically it alerts your emergency contact or 911, however you have it set up. So I got this one, which is a keychain. Ooh, so elegant. That's what it looks like. So it's just a beautiful decoration that can go on anything. Oh, I like that it has this thing. So it can go on a purse easily. But this is the device that basically allows you to call 911, etc. immediately. And this is what the back looks like. So step one, it asks you to save these particular numbers to your phone in case of emergency. Step two, you want to download the INVISAWEAR app, which looks like this. And then step three, you just follow the instructions to set it up. That's the first screen right there. So let's go ahead and start. You want to always allow them to access your location. It'll ask for your phone number and password, in which case you don't have an account yet, so you want to sign up. After you fill in all your information, it'll ask if there are a few things like this, and if that applies to you, go ahead and check it for medication, disabilities, etc. Next, you want to go ahead and add your emergency contacts. And here it says emergency contacts are automatically notified when your call with 911 ends. And you want to add your emergency contacts, add them by clicking this button here, and then just go ahead and add them. After that's all set, it's gonna go ahead and just like pair with your device. Press your INVISAJewelry Smart to pair it with the app. So I'm pressing it down, and then you can name your device. Okay, so you can actually test it first, so not actually calling 911. So the test mode is on, so place test alert. Double press your INVISAWEAR and answer the phone call to stimulate an emergency alert. Double tap this twice, 1, 2. Oh, and then there's a call coming right now. All right, answering the call.
Emergency. We will first attempt to call you for you to speak with 911 to explain your emergency. If you do not answer the call or do not press any buttons, your emergency contacts will receive a call and be prompted to press 1 to connect with 911 to speak on your behalf. Please type message to proceed with the test. To receive a test call, press star now to cancel if you wish to end a test before calling your emergency contacts.
Star.
Cancel.
End. Okay, so that was the emergency. And testing. All right. And this is the final screen. It basically, if you are able to get the app open, you can actually click on any of these tiles if it's a medical, police, fire, or car crash emergency, and the 911 will actually be automatically contacted. And that's how you set up your INVISAWEAR jewelry. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you think about this INVISAWEAR piece of jewelry.